Sports. Yeah, we might see it here.
What's beneath this?
Gufra. Well, given the
Okay.
fact that ang daming dash na pwedeng gawin dito.
Anti-dash talaga
And
to.
alam mo, isipin mo, against sa meron ka ng Phobius. So, pagka meron kang Phobius, ina-acknowledge mo yung fact na ang daming dash ng kalaban.
Oh.
So, paano mo ba counter yung dash na yon? Kumuha ka ng Gufra.
Yep. Anti-dash.
Back to that form. Possibly even get back. Just to get back in the playoffs.
Yep. One step at a time, di ba?
Oo.
Ever
A big journey.
since-
Tama naman.
Very unfortunate for the Brent franchise na back-to-back playoffs. Hindi natin sila nakita, but we'll see if they have finally found a way to get back in there. So far, game number 1 didn't look as good, pero just seeing this draft ng game number 2, kayang-kayang ipuwersa ng Bren Esports ang game 3.
Delay lang talaga yung ginagawa ng Onyx Philippines, and looking at the jungle matchup dito, Sensui and Kyle TZ. A jungle Pakito. We're seeing back again na no Demon Slayer emblem sa laban na to.
Yep.
What nila dito is si Ryota, may vengeance siya. Meanwhile, ang naiwan dito si Jom ang target ng Onyx Philippines. Nets taking the first blood na sinasamahan dito sa gold lane. But meanwhile, we have XP lane match-up din. But on the side of Onyx Philippines, rotating still as one, pero walang nakita kay Ogwen. Dalawang nahuli dito sa payakap mula sa Onyx Philippines. Pero si Ogwen pa rin ang mukhang makaiwas. Bouncing ball out.
Walang follow-up na naganap si Kyle TZ. Medyo late sa party. At nandito na, hinahabol niya si Rapidot, hinahabol niya si Nets. Habang MMA fight ang nangyari doon dahil Cho versus Pakito. Yung kaganapan, pero tumpa! Jom! With
Ito na.
the flank.
So apat dito ang freely na umiikot sa side ng Bren Esports to counter out the rotation of Onyx Philippines na nabibigyan ngayon ng magandang pwesto sa turtle na to.
But you know what? Ang isang Pandora ngayon ay hindi talaga siya masyadong sasama kasi alam niya din na yung hero niya needs extra items to
Yep.
be successful. Hindi siya ganun kakunat, pero kung makukuha niya yung damage items niya, possible na tatalon niya na lang itong mga
Yep.
members ng side ng Onyx Philippines.
Pandora ang magiging target pero may natrap dito dalawa mula sa Onyx Philippines. Talon na nga si Pandora. Onyx Philippines, Super Friends back away to the top lane.
And that's going to be another turtle on the side of Bren Esports. And it seems to me that Onyx, hindi nila gusto talaga lumaban ngayon. Or possible na baka napipuwersa silang mag-react sa ginagawa ng Bren.
Yeah. Yung kanilang opposition hindi pa talaga malakas sa ngayon. Lalo na babalikan natin yung first move nila. Sinabi nila, ay, gold lane talaga yung target namin. So maghihintay kami ng farm. Kaso,
Yan na.
TZ, nagpapakilala na.
Kyle TZ, nagpapa-acknowledge sa side ng Bren Esports. Habang nagfa-farm pa rin siya, he's looking for information na pwede ibigay sa Bren Esports. But now, mukhang Onyx Philippines is still trying to be on track sa laning at defenses. Meanwhile, on the side, si Ryota nag-iisa sa bottom lane. Bren Esports, apat na pwede bumasag sa tore.
At walang magagawa dito yung side ng Onyx kung hindi ibigay yan. Pero si Nets at si Rapidot nandito na. They will try to take down Ogwen pero I don't think na siya yung dapat na target ng Wave the Dragon. Ogwen, tingnan natin kung itutuloy niya yung talon.
Guiding wind.
Itutuloy niya yung stretching pero wala nang tatamaan. Naman kapag nag-sword dash yan na naka-enhance, ay talagang balik talaga yung buhay to the point na baka kailangan mo ulit bawasan ulit ang isang Julian para ma-take down ito.
Pero Ogwen, kanina pa nakabantay dito sa top lane. But tama ba ito nakikita ko? Si Jom nasa bush pa rin sa taas.
Oo, kasi ano yun mga shotgun build yun
Medyo tumataas ang macro control ngayon. The map control of Bren Esports na pwedeng ilaban against my top lane action. Beatrix, 1v1 mula kay Ryota. Taking down Jom, Onyx Philippines.
Sobrang importante ng kill na yun. Definitely Bren Esports pa rin lamang dito sa my Lord fight.
And that is going to be Circling Eagle to the Way of the Dragon at ang Blazing Duet. Binato sa tapat ni Few. Few goes down. Yung mga members dito ng side ng Bren. Tinatanong na sila ng Pandora. Pero Pandora won't get out of that. 5-man wipe para sa side ng Onyx. Nilinis ang lapag sa mga members ng Bren Esports.
Pero yung Onyx Philippines, nakahanap sila ng magandang talon mula kay Rapidot at nakakita na naman tayo ng TikTok play mula doon sa Way of the Dragon.
Ryota,
And they
nakakalikong buhay.
outplayed once again.
Kyle TZ naipit sa may gitna ng lahat. He will stay alive. Real world manipulation, successful dito ang side ng Onyx para madepensahan lahat ito at hindi na ipipilit. Hindi na ipipilit ng Onyx in terms of just going down to the middle at i-take down yung mga turrets dito na side ng Bren. Remember, si Bren has good wave clear. Real world manipulation pa lang paluna. Paano pag sinamahan mo pa ng Nibiru's Passion?
Muna nila pansin na ginagawa ng Onyx Philippines onto the X-Plane or yung
Wrap
push.
around.
Pero umiikot ang Onyx Philippines, Bren Esports going up top, pero sa likod si Pandora.
At si Pandora ay na-set-upan or nakita lahat ng members ng side ng Onyx, so hindi sila magiging successful. Pero eto na yung habol na tinatawag natin. And look at this, Ogwen with the ultimate at si Nets. Bumato na ng Blazing Duet, wala siyang enough damage. Pandora goes down in the process as well. That is a 1-for-1, ladies and gentlemen. At nag-iinit na yung dalawang team natin dito.
Hinahabol ng Bren Esports. Unfortunately, na-tradean pa yung Bren Esports. Kaso ito, pinaburst na nila yung Lord. Well, ang gandang decision nito mula sa side ng Bren Esports.
Kailangan nilang iwasan ang mga ganong klaseng wraparound because how deadly right now, kung gaano ka-deadly ngayon ng Bren Esports, combining all the combos, simula pa lang kay Kyle TZ at mismo yung real world manipulation, there's a lot of control setups na pwede nilang gawin.
We can say then na just
Rapidot.
based on the composition, kamuntikan si Rapidot doon.
Guiding
Kung magkaroon
win with
ng
the save.
banggaan ng 5v5, power spike to ng Bren Esports. And ito yung kailangan nilang gawin. They have to stick up as 5. Puwersahin yung Onyx Philippines na makipag-engage sa kanila. And we'll see kung paano na i-approach to ng Bren Esports.
Speaking of engagement, nag-conceal na dito.
Oh, and Ogwen, pumasok siya at mapaparusahan nga ba? There's the Way of the Dragon. Medyo paling yung pwesto nung pagkakasipa niya, pero hindi nagmamatter
Pandora.
yun side ng Bren. Gusto pa talaga nila lumaban. And Pandora will go down and next with the Blazing Duet. At yung talon, na-cancel siya, pero yung BMI just in time, saving the day para dito side ng Onyx Philippines. Walang outer turret sa taas at sa mid lane. But right now, for Bren, they are happy with the damage na gawa nila. Actually,
Ay, the setup. Onyx Philippines needs to deny the setup of Bren Esports. Ogwen charging up. Walang nahuli si Rapid dito na iwan. Pinatunog yung Lord.
and
Setup coming in.
Nabato na. Sino makakuha ng Lord? And it's going to be Job. And right now, Bren Esports, they just want to go back. Super Princess na may likod. But the problem is, wala
Wala
siyang
yung
kasama. Pandora tumatalon ng tumatalon. Ladies and gentlemen, Onyx, they are running away for their lives. Si Kyle TZ dito, galit na galit, sapak na sapak. And that is going to be Kyle TZ taking down Prince. 5v4 situation. Onyx did not get the Lord.
Mahirap dito, hindi ganun kataas ang wave clear ng Onyx Philippines unless mag-commit talaga itong si Julian pati itong si Claude. Pero walang ultimate si Nets. The thing is, Onyx Philippines, tinry nilang sabayan yung Bren Esports kaso walang kasabay si Nets sa backlines.
At ito na,
Base,
real world manipulation.
base.
Oh, no more real world manipulation rather. But that's going to be Blazing Duet. But that is not enough to stop the push na gagawin ng Bren.
Ito na nga ba ang pagbabalik ng kanilang lakas? Taking it to game number 3, Bren Esports. Taking game number 2.
Yep.
Hindi na nga tayo nag-blink doon, tapos na pala. It wasn't the setup, it was the diversion na ginagawa ng Bren Esports. Hinahati mismo ang capability nila onto that late game strike.